Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.